Sezzle is a buy now pay later platform that allows shoppers to make purchases and split the total cost into 4 equal, interest-free installments. It provides a flexible payment option that helps customers manage their budgets while allowing businesses to increase sales. Sign up. Users create a free Sezzle account online or through the mobile app. Shop with Sezzle. When checking out a participating store, select Sezzle as the payment option. Payment breakdown. The total purchase amount is divided into 4 equal payments. The first payment is made immediately, and the remaining 3 payments are automatically charged every 2 weeks. No interest or fees. Payments are interest-free if made on time. Late payments may incur a small fee. Integrate Sezzle. Merchants can add Sezzle to their online or in-store checkout process. Increase sales. Offering flexible payments can attract more customers, reduce cart abandonment, and increase average order value. Receive full payment. Businesses receive the full payment upfront, while Sezzle handles the customer's installment plan.